gonna just put the group. And my favorite group is English. I can't put it because I'm lagging, obviously. And just gonna put that. I'm kinda hungry. Let me just see my food. No, that's so I need to go somewhere. Tomorrow maybe I'll buy some. Tomorrow maybe I'll buy a car. Tomorrow I'll buy a car. Let me just wear my avatar and let's go. Let's first see me these clothes. Open it. Yes, I'm just gonna walk. There's actually no tricycle. Wait, it's trying to lock it. Is it locked now? No. Hello there, Bacon. I'm gonna do Bacon. If I want burger. Burger. I want burger. I want burger. But let me just put my name before. What should I? Oh, actually my name is Queen, like Queen. Oh! Oh, it's raining! Oh no, I forgot to I didn't even bring I just all have money. I just get money. Just money. I just get money. Okay.